students, Jai Gurudev. Today we will discuss different types of chemical reaction. In first chapter, chemical reaction and equation. These are number one, combination reaction. Number two, decomposition reactions. Decomposition reactions are also three types: thermal decomposition, electrical decomposition, and photo decomposition. Number three, displacement reaction. Number four, double displacement reaction. Number five, redox reactions. Redox reactions are of two types: oxidation and reduction. These are not two types. Oxidation and reduction both occur simultaneously in a reaction, then the reaction is known as redox reaction. Okay, these are important, and these reaction we will discuss in detail. But some other reactions, the knowledge of these reaction is also essential for the student of class 10. These are exothermic and endothermic reaction, precipitation reaction, catalytic reactions, reversible and irreversible reactions, slow and fast reactions, neutralization reactions, thermite reactions. These are also studied. Yes. Yes, student, first we will discuss about combination reaction. What are combination reaction? Combination reactions are those reactions in which simpler substances combine to form a complex substance. Two or more than two reactants combine to form a single product. For example, C plus O2 gives CO2. Here, two reactants combine with each other to form a product, that is carbon dioxide. Second example, twice H2 plus O2 gives twice H2O. There are also two reactants, hydrogen and oxygen, combine to form water molecule. Third, N2 plus 3H2 react with each other. Nitrogen and hydrogen gases react with each other and form twice NH3, that is ammonia. These are example of combination reaction. Okay, we discuss another example of combination reaction, that is chain combination reaction. Okay, magnesium driven burn in presence of oxygen gives 2MgO. This is also example of combination reaction. When magnesium oxide dissolve in water, it will form magnesium hydroxide. This is also example of combination reaction. First we will burn magnesium ribbon and produce magnesium oxide. Then magnesium oxide dissolve in water to form magnesium hydroxide. Next, MgOH whole twice plus CO2, MgCO3 plus H2O. This is a solution, magnesium carbonate plus H2O. And when excess CO2, MgCO3 plus H2O plus CO2, then MgHCO3 whole twice. Magnesium hydrogen carbonate, magnesium bicarbonate will be formed. So the product, single product of these four reactions, this is just like a chain combination reaction. Okay, you will practice some more examples, some other combination reaction. Now we will discuss decomposition reaction. Yes, student, decomposition reactions are just opposite to combination reaction. In decomposition reaction, a substance, complex substance decomposes into two or more simpler substances. Decomposition reaction, decomposition reactions are of three types. First, thermal decomposition. In thermal decomposition, those reactions in which decomposition take place in the presence of heat. For example, CaCO3 on heating, this is the symbol of heat. On heating, CaO plus CO2 gas. Then we will understand that only single substance CaCO3 calcium carbonate, when it is heated strongly, it will decomposes into two substances, that is, these are calcium oxide and CO2 gas. This is thermal decomposition. Next example of thermal decomposition is twice FeSO4 solid on heating Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Here only single substance, ferrous sulfate, on heating decomposes into three products, three substances: Fe2O3, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gas. The evolution of gas can be represented by a bird arrow. Third example of thermal decomposition reaction, twice P. Third example, when lead nitrate PbNO3 whole twice is heated strongly, it will decomposes into lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. The activity of this reaction is also given in your NCERT. In this reaction, when lead nitrate is taken in a clean and dry test tube and heated strongly, then brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide will be burned, brown colored fumes, and a cracking sound of lead nitrate is also heard. Okay, so you will study the activity of this reaction also. Now we will discuss electrical decomposition reaction. In electrical decomposition, when the decomposition take place in the presence of electric current, decomposition carried out in the presence of electric current, then the reaction is known as electrical decomposition. For example, twice H2O liquid on passing electric current it will decompose into twice H2 gas plus O2 gas. Here one reactant decomposes into two simpler substances. So in the presence of electric current, so this reaction is known as electrical decomposition reaction. The activity of this reaction is also very important for the students of class 10. Decomposition reaction, we'll take example twice AgCl solid sunlight twice Ag solid plus Cl2 gas. Take silver chloride in a plate and this is in white color and place this silver chloride in sunshine. After some time, about 30 minutes, 40 minutes, you will observe that silver chloride decomposes into gray color silver and Cl2 chlorine gas will be evolved. This is an example of photo decomposition reaction. You should study some more photo decomposition reaction. Now we will discuss about displacement reaction. Yes student, what are displacement reaction? Displacement reactions are those reactions in which more reactive substance displaces less reactive substance from its salt solution. We will understand from this example. Fe solid plus CuSO4 aqueous, FeSO4 aqueous plus Cu solid. In this reaction, copper sulfate, blue color of copper sulfate solution. When iron nails is dipped in copper sulfate solution, we will observe after some time iron displaces copper and form ferrous sulfate solution which is in green color. This solution is blue in color, and this is light green. Then brown color copper will be deposited on the iron nails. Again, Fe iron when react with copper sulfate solution, it will form FeSO4 ferrous sulfate solution and copper will be displaced. Such reactions are called displacement reaction. Another example, Zn plus CuSO4 aqueous, ZnSO4 aqueous plus Cu solid. Here blue color solution of copper sulfate, zinc particles react with copper sulfate, and after some time white color zinc sulfate will be formed and copper will be displaced. Such type of reactions are called displacement reaction. You should study some more examples from your book. Students, now we will discuss fourth reaction, that is double displacement reactions. Double displacement reaction, mutual exchange of ions take place when aqueous solution of two substances react with each other. Okay, we will understand by an example. Yes, student, in this example, aqueous solution of barium chloride react with aqueous solution of sodium sulfate. Aqueous solution, both the aqueous solution of barium chloride react with aqueous solution of sodium sulfate. Then white precipitate of barium sulfate and aqueous solution of sodium chloride will be formed. Here we will see that mutual exchange of ions, that is chloride ion goes to sodium and sulfate ions goes to barium. Mutual exchange of ion take place in this reaction, so it is an example of double displacement reaction. This is also example of precipitation reaction. We will discuss it later. Now we will take another example of double displacement reaction, that is twice PbNO3 whole twice plus twice Ki aqueous solution of lead nitrate PbNO3 whole twice react with aqueous solution of potassium iodide, then yellow precipitate of PbI2 yellow precipitate of lead iodide and twice KNO3 aqueous solution will be formed. Here we'll observe that mutual exchange of ions. NO3 ion goes to potassium and iodide ion goes to lead. This is also example of precipitation reaction. Student, we will discuss redox reaction and other reaction, exothermic, endothermic, reversible, irreversible, precipitation reaction, catalytic reaction and other reaction in next video. Okay, thank you. Jai Gurudev.